I am delighted that the seed which was sown on the 30th of June 1989 has now borne such excellent fruit in such superb members that you have, particularly the leading one being your own charter member, Dr. Bharat Pandya, past district governor. Club is now today 130. This only shows the amount of progress that your club has made. From time to time, I've been following the excellent work that your club has been doing, and on my behalf, I wish that this club celebrates all the jubilees for another 100 years of its existence and will really serve Rotary, enjoying Rotary all the way. Thank you.
Rotary Club of Borivali is my neighboring club, where I belong to Rotary Club of Dahisar. And right from beginning, right from the formation of the club, I've seen the growth of this club. For me, actually, Rotary Club of Borivali is a second home for me. I've seen wonderful projects this club is doing, service project. I've seen some Rotarians from that particular club. They were doing wonderful work in villages like Jawar and all that. And I saw the wonderful work these people are doing. And that's what I would say. Further, the iBank, what they are having is one of the, let me tell you, one of the outstanding projects our district 3140 is having. The club has produced leaders beyond the club level. And I know so many wonderful leaders from that club working at the district level. And all the good wishes for Rotary Club Borivali for all the great work they are doing, and I am always
extremely happy to know that Rotary Club of Borivali is celebrating its silver jubilee. Rotary Club Borivali was known to me and to our members, and we had associated for a long time now. Today, of course, this club has really grown in respect of membership, grown in terms of community service. There is something called ideal club, a term which is commonly used, and I think nobody will have any hesitation to call Rotary Club of Borivali an ideal club because of sheer work what is being put in. During my governorship, friends, I initiated a very complicated theme, but let me tell you, friends, your president then, Chetan, really understood the scheme so very well, and he came out with a brilliant program called Kaneri Festival. One of the most successful events ever to happen in that part of our district. Attended by many. I think Rotary got huge kind of mileage out of this program. Other projects are of phenomenal importance, and one of them is your iBank, which has been doing human service to the community. When we talk about leadership in Dr. Bharat, you have a brilliant person, a leader par excellence, and friends, I am really happy to be associated with Rotary Club of Borivali and wish all the members success, and will wait for that huge occasion, maybe 25 years down the line, when you celebrate.
At the outset, let me congratulate the Rotary Club of Borivali for their Silver Jubilee celebration, and they have a lot to celebrate. Over the 25 years, the Rotary Club of Borivali has established itself as a great force, not only in the Rotary movement, but also in the community. It was during the year 97-98, they took us to Shantidham, an orphanage being run by Mother Teresa's Charities. But one thing that touched me the most was a statement made by one of the staff. He said, the members of the Rotary Club of Borivali, they are always with us to help us. But now, as they have been involved with us for many projects, we have started feeling that they are a part of us, which to my mind is the greatest compliment that a Rotarian and a club can receive. Rotary Club of Borivali has led in many areas. In terms of leadership in Rotary, they have Dr. Bharat Pandya, who has done great service to Rotary and is continuing to doing so. In terms of a monumental project, they have the iBank, which is doing fantastic work and has been recognized all over. And most importantly, the attitude of Rotarians, the service, humility. I wish even greater success to the Rotary Club of Borivali and may the golden jubilee be even more glorious. All the best.